Have you ever questioned why maintaining good IT documentation is so difficult? Why are most companies' IT diagrams either out of date or non-existent? Perhaps it's how you're maintaining IT documentation that's outdated. For example, in today's modern data center, a sysadmin can move a blade server between chassis faster than he or she can update the associated IT diagrams. If you're using Visio and spreadsheets, it's probably holding you back, either through wasted energy or lost productivity from failing to capture knowledge of IT changes. Imagine how productive your team could be if they better understood the services and systems they supported. What if they could determine the impact of changes more accurately, plan and execute projects faster, and respond to auditor inquiries with the click of a mouse? I'd like to show you how Pathway Systems Blueprints will revolutionize the way you record and use IT knowledge. Blueprints replaces the tedious document-based approach to diagramming IT systems with a web-based, multi-user system that centralizes IT diagrams. But instead of storing individual diagrams, Blueprints gives you a complete model of your IT environment from which diagrams are automatically generated. So you get immediate visual answers to ad hoc questions about your environment. Watch how effortlessly even a non-technical person can evaluate the impact of making changes to an IT system. Here, we're using Blueprints to determine which users will be impacted by rebooting a particular server. Blueprints is visualizing everything that depends upon this server, and we can see all the customers that might be adversely affected. Now, let's imagine we've made some changes to our environment. Perhaps we've moved a database to a faster server. Updating the knowledge base is just a couple of mouse clicks, not an hour of tedious work shuffling things around with Visio. Perhaps the project at hand is a bit more complicated, like planning a data center move or replacing legacy applications. For these use cases, Blueprints helps you organize all your research and track the status of your work. If you need printed output, Blueprints can generate comprehensive PDFs of diagrams automatically assembled with table of contents, multiple chapters, and every object indexed automatically. Our customers respond to auditor requests for HIPAA or PCI data with just a few mouse clicks instead of scrambling to organize materials, which would otherwise distract them from current projects. Blueprints' ROI comes from more efficient IT workflow and higher quality IT services provided to your customers. Even with virtualization and cloud computing, the IT environment your workers manage is growing in size and becoming more complex. Now more than ever, this complexity slows down projects and causes human errors, sometimes with drastic results. It's time you empowered your workers with the most effective tool for documenting and distributing knowledge of IT systems. Contact us for a one-on-one demo or a trial to experience Blueprints for yourself.